This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Anyways, yep. So how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen to get yourself a fancy little discount. Look at these crazy crazies. So the Zenpop folks say this is called something something hee hee. And all I know about it is it has some habanero in it. But then it also said to make it so it wasn't so spicy, they added sugar. So it's kind of like, oh, I don't know. For me, it's kind of a piss or get off the pot kind of thing, right? I mean, sugar. I'm gonna use one of my handy dandy plastic cups here. Does that work? Oh, oh. Okay. So there is that. This one should work just fine. Yep, that's about the right size. Put that in there. This? No, it's just not. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna add our liquids right there. Perfecto. And this one goes for 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a broken man. Broken. I went, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday I walked almost 10 miles. Yesterday I walked 10 miles. Coming out of this whole COVID and blood clot in the lung thing and all that stuff, man, I am so sore. Today I've got my follow-up appointment with my regular doctor, and so that'll be cool. He's pretty cool. He's from Taiwan, and every time I see him I bring him noodles. I got some noodles I'm gonna hook him up with, so it's funny. Usually you don't think, hey, I'm gonna go see my doctor, I'm gonna bring him some instant noodles. But But he's a really cool dude. He was the reason that I lost all my weight. I mean, I needed an excuse, and he gave me the perfect excuse to do it. He's like, unless you start losing weight, I'm gonna put you on these funny pills. And I'm like, I don't want to get on funny pills. So there you go. I'm like, I always thank him, you know. He said the right thing at the right time, basically. He had the easy part, but it was definitely an important part. Really cool guy, good doctor. So now this will be the second time I've been seeing him about having a blood clot in my lung. First time, it was logical. I slept on a flight to Taiwan, tiny little seat. I was about 150 pounds heavier, and I took something to sleep on the way over. So it was like 12 hours sleeping in a cramped position. Yeah, logical. Said that it was situational. This time, the way my body fought off COVID, Omicron made it very susceptible for the same thing happening. Just like leave me on the pills that make sure that just doesn't happen, and I'll be happy. So that's what I'm going to talk to him about today. It's been a long time since I've seen him too. It's like, yeah, I found out I had a brother, my mom died. It's like all this stuff. I think my appointment won't be long enough because it's cool. He's a cool dude. It's fun to. It's like it's nice to be able to say it's fun to go to the doctor. He'll probably like steal a bunch of my blood and all that fun stuff. And then I got another one I got to do the next week. That's with a pulmonologist, and he seemed like a cool dude too. I don't know where he's from though. I'm gonna guess Singapore. I'm gonna guess. I could be wrong. But of course, we'll talk noodles. Initial consultation? No, I don't bring instant noodles for initial consultations. But maybe the second time. I think that will be. Alright, so let's give this stuff a try. Habanero, huh? It's like a habanero miso, I think it was. We shall see. Sapporo Ichiban, Sanyo Foods, Japan. Oh, look at that heat. Oh no. What is this one? It's dirty? Oh, had a little bit of schmutz on it, but the spoon part didn't. This is a spoon from ramen here. It's the tiniest little spoon. Spoon! I'm getting the sweetness. I'm definitely getting the habanero. That's good. That's good. I'll be honest, it kind of reminds me of like a sweet ramen. It's really, yeah. I'm fascinated by that. It's really, really unique. All right. There we are. Let's get a load of a little bit of this garnish that's in here too. Cabbage? Oh. I like that. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Got some eggs here. Thank you so much to my wife for saving my butt with the eggs. That one feels good. I like the feeling of that egg. I love this knife. I love the way it sounds. It's fun. What's that say? Oh, package coming today from Indonesia. Yeah, super fresh egg. Ooh, and super goopy. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. And it did the thing I don't like. See that? Can you see that? See, it's like part of the yolk is over here and like way less of it's over here. So I gotta cheat. If it'll let me. Remember Goat Boy? My sister and I were talking about Goat Boy the other day. What was that guy's name? Jim Brewer? On Saturday Night Live, he's on. No, yeah, don't care. That's cool. That is just fine. I like 90s Saturday Night Live, I think. Got a small slice of chashu. Yeah, she Kit came out here and saved me from the egg catastrophe I was dealing with. I like tried to do one egg and it just like totally just got destroyed. So she hooked me up. Then I went and I put away laundry. Yes. So this is what I like to call a perfect week. This is the 13th review of the week. I'll put it in a little hole. There you go. Stick it in the hole there. Stick it in the hole. And yeah, I'll use the black seeds. I haven't done that yet. Not recently. I usually regret it. I usually don't like the way the black sesame seeds look. Nothing against oh, come on. Was that the... here we go. This is the most standard shichimi you're gonna find. Shichimi just means like seven spice. A little mound of that. All right. But perfect week is when I do 15 reviews in 1 week. 3 per day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you know what? I think I'm going to keep going through the weekend too. Nice getting ahead. Alright, well cool, thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're gonna do is gonna be another one from Zen Pop. That's like, what, 6 in a row from Zen Pop I'll be doing. And I might do even more. They just keep piling up and I keep, like, not getting them done. So, this is Nissan Kyo Udon. It's like a Kyoto style udon. We'll see. Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.